left off, I was in Rock Springs, Wyoming. Just wanted to, you know, give you guys an update. I did make it out of Rock Springs that next morning, and then found out that right after I left, because there was still snow on the roads, there was black ice. I took my time, and the speed limit was like 45 for parts of 80 until you got closer to Evanston, and then the roads was pretty much clear. And then like an hour and a half after I left Rock Springs, apparently there was another pileup. So of course, people being idiots, super truckers, not paying attention, going too fast for the road conditions. Took 80 to 84 through Utah, and drove through Idaho. Boise is pretty nice, but it seems like that's the only thing that Idaho has to offer is Boise. And then we end up switching drivers in Oregon. Then we made our load to Portland, Oregon, and by the time we got another load, but we had to deadhead all the way to California. So I'm going to insert drive clips either in the beginning or in between. We made it through California, and every time you come from Oregon to California, you have to take, well, we take I-5 to go south. So we go through Weed, California, Truckee, Mount Shasta, and that whole little area. Well, by the time we switch drivers and I pick up our trailer from Red Bluff, go get a washout, because we were supposed to be heading to Commerce City. By the time I made it to Tulare, California, there was to our fuel stop and to switch drivers again, there was a sign, a DOT sign saying that I-5, now mind you, I was on 99 South, so there was a sign saying that I-5 was closed for 96 miles ahead, and we were 117 miles from Commerce City. So we looked at all possible alternate routes to get to Commerce City. Because they had overnight parking, we didn't have to park at the truck stop. However, those roads were also closed, according to looking at Caltrans, California DOT webpage. So we just decided to shut it down that night and to see how things were gonna look in the morning. Well, that morning, the roads were slowly opening back up, but there was a pileup on 58, 14, and I think I-5 was slow rolling. So we had it, and I think we were supposed to go through the Grapevine. My soup is being impatient. Oh, whatever. So they end up reassigning us a different load. That load was supposed to bring us all the way from California to Maryland, right? However, due to the road conditions and not being able to make up the pickup appointment time, they reassigned us another load, and that load picked up in Tulare, where we were already at. And that went to Cheyenne, Wyoming. So to get back to where we were going, or to get back to Wyoming, we still had to go through the Grapevine. However, it was police escort. We went that way to get to 15. That way we can go up 15 to 80 to get back to Wyoming to drop that load off. And there were some police escorts on the other side where it's backed up traffic. And we made it to Las Vegas. We took an hour and a half, almost 2-hour break. That way we can grab something to eat, you know, just enjoy ourselves, and then get back on the road. And then later on, we end up switching drivers. But I'm driving and I get to Rawlins. The winds are high and snow is like blowing across the highway. So we decided to go ahead and park for a minute, then switch drivers, because I only had an hour left on my clock. While I was sitting there, I was looking at, you know, the weather conditions, and it seems like we have just been looking up by the grace of the universe and the divine creator, because that same night that we ended up in Vegas, we missed a snowstorm. There was 30 inches of snow that hit Northern California. Northern Nevada got hit as well. Arizona, I-40, they got some snow, but it was just accidents and pileups everywhere. We made that load into Cheyenne. They were shutting down the I-80 for high winds, for 65, 45 miles plus winds, and it started to cut back the more later it got in the evening. So they were shutting it down for high profile and lightweight vehicles. We made the load on time. It was a drop and hook, and we're currently on a load. I'm currently in Kansas, Dodge City, picking up at National Beef, and we are headed to New Jersey. So I guess it kind of makes up for, yeah, we didn't get one long run, but we got 2 short runs that still is from the West Coast, Midwest, now to the East Coast. So it adds up or whatever. I just wanted to check in. With you guys. I dropped our trailer off that at National Beef, and our load isn't ready, so we're at the Loves. We done showered. I'm just about to eat my soup, and then once our load is ready, we're gonna get down this road. My 70-hour clock is getting a little low, so we're gonna work on recaps because I gained 10 hours back tonight at midnight Central Time, and we're gonna have to strategically plan on how we're gonna roll out for the rest of the remainder of the time, or hopefully we don't need to sit for a 34-hour reset or do a rolling reset. Who knows? But yeah, I'm just gonna insert the clips, even the clips from Vegas. That was really fun. I didn't get a lot of footage because when you're in the casinos, you're not allowed to have cameras or record unless you have a permit, and they don't want you recording their machines anyways. So yeah, thank y'all for tuning in, and then I'll check in with you guys later on. You guys will never guess where I'm at. Can y'all tell by my background where I'm at? Can you tell where I'm at? Let's see. Can y'all see that over there? Your girl is in Vegas. Vegas, baby, yeah. We're at the Orleans Hotel in Las Vegas. The Orleans Hotel in Las Vegas. My glass is fogging up. I might have to put on my other mask that kind of like restricts that.
Yeah, so back over there, the strip is back over that way.
Well, we're about to get up. We wish. I think it's on the other side.
Oh, okay.
But we're about to grab something to eat. We're on a little break right now. 13 hours away from our 90.
I know you just left there. I saw your picture.
This might be a little bit better.
But you gotta get out the truck. Like, you gotta make.
And I might just go ahead and change my mask since it's in my bag. Be right back. I'm back. I'm back. Your girl is back. Okay, this is better because it has a little wire piece right here, so I can pinch it so where it doesn't breathe into the glasses. So yeah, I'm excited. I love Vegas. This is one of my favorite places to come, get away, do a little gambling, have some fun. This is so cute. Okay, and they got this little Mardi Gras thing. Right. Keep looking because you're trying to make sure nobody hiding around it.
Yeah, we're gonna walk in here and grab us something to eat.
It's a little chilly. It's not even that cold.
Is that a kid? Your mama at? So, I hope everybody is having a good evening. I don't even know what time it is where y'all at. I know we're in Pacific time frame, so
Yay.
I don't know what time it is where y'all
It's 3 hours away from East Coast. It's 2 hours away from Central Time. 1 hour away from Mountain Time.
I still don't know what time. Oh, what time is it?
17.
Oh, okay, they still up. Oh, look at that. What is that? That is.
Turn my camera off. Because you know they're real funny about these slot machines being recorded. All right, so the time has come for us to get back on the road. Did you have fun?
Huh?
Did you have fun?
Yes.
So yeah, had a little fun. Had me a veggie burger from Fridays. You said what? I'm walking slow. My leg's longer than yours. I'm right behind you. But yeah. And it looks like somebody decided on where they're gonna celebrate their birthday. Vegas.
Who's a dead rat? Girl, bye.
Not girl, bye.
Did you see it?
Yeah, I almost stepped on it. It's a no for me. So what they have at the arena, like sports?
Oh, yeah, I think so.
Or poker tournaments?
Concerts.
He cold, huh? I bet you won't run.
I bet y'all won't either.
You get there quicker.
Get out of bed. Look, she's right there.
Time for us to get on, mosey on down the road to get to Wyoming. It's not that cold out here. It's just the wind blowing a little bit.
Okay, I'm gonna use exercise then.
Yeah, work off that salad you just ate.
Yeah.
And then veggie burger I done ate. Plenty of truck parking back here.
You gonna put your lights on, sir?
Right. See the strip over there? Well, some of it. It's the Rio, the palms. I remember the palms from Real World. Aria and the Vidar right next to it. That's one of my favorite hotels. I'm a M Life member, so I get them special discounts at MGM Properties. Yeah, so that's why we coming back for her birthday. I got a major discount. Gotta call and see if they got truck parking though. Encore and Win. Caesar's Palace, I think. Yeah, the Stratosphere right there. I think that's the Stratosphere. All right. Check in with y'all later.